Alright, you're back with Modmaster J, and today I'm going to go over a tweak called iSounds. It's in the beta stages, but it works just fine right now, and they will be doing updates, and Cydia will update it and let you know when it's time to update it. But this can be found from the Big Boss repo, so just get it from Cydia first, and when you first get this and open it, you're going to see an icon called iSounds, and it'll look like a little iPhone. So you're just going to click on that, and there'll be nothing in here when you first open it. And I haven't even finished putting them all in yet, but I thought I'd do this video and show you while I'm doing it. You're going to want to click, it'll just say disable when you first install it. You're going to want to click on the store. And then in the store, now I've got the two first ones, so you're just going to want to go and individually download each one. And then just click on it and it'll start downloading the file right away and install it. So do that for each one. I'm going to do that now, and I'll be back when I'm done each one. And one more thing, you can read it in the description when you first get it in Cydia. They want the guy that made the app or that provided it was going to charge $1.99, and it's free now. So just click on, tap on the banner there, and just click on that, and tap on the ad, and just do that, and then go back. I don't know. He just wants you to do that, so I did that, and he wants 10 other people to do it or something. But just read it in the description. But just do him a favor and tap on it. Okay, so when you download them, once you have them all, basically each one is for like the Apple Newton. It'll give all the sounds for the Apple Newton. Each one is a sound pack, basically. Mac OS 9 sounds, Windows XP sounds, and when you do a reboot, so you choose one. And I've already got it, as you can hear that sound. I already have the Windows XP one already in. But I'm going to do a respring and just let you hear what it sounds like when it comes up. Once it comes up. It even has the startup sound of the Windows XP as well, which is pretty neat. So, and I'm sure it has shutdown sounds. Now I have Winterboard sounds in there as well, so it kind of, the Winterboard overrides the sounds for some of them, but you'll hear the beginning here when it starts up. Got a lot of tweaks on. It takes a second to respring on there. And there it is there. You hear it sounds like the Windows XP starting up. So I'm sure they're going to come up with an update when the full version comes out, and I'm sure they're going to have a lot more sounds packs that come with it. So again, thanks for watching. Just please subscribe and like to the videos. There'll be more videos to come. And I'm thinking about doing a giveaway of some sort of an iPod Touch or an iPad or something. I'm not sure what it's going to be yet, but I do have the subscribers coming in, so thanks a lot for watching to all you guys who have subscribed and liked my videos. And definitely I appreciate it, and I'm definitely going to show my appreciation by doing a giveaway soon. So just please keep subscribing and liking, and we'll get there soon. This is Modmaster J, out.
We'll be right back.